This is a short video to show you how to import an Excel dataset into the SarQoL Access database. So we start off with the Excel dataset here. I have all my individual items encoded. And what I want to do is import it into this table, DPA1. So these the variable names should be identical and everything. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to see if I can copy the variable names, and I'm going to insert a couple of empty lines here before I paste the variable names. So these are the variable names from the Excel file. These are the variable names from the Excel file. What I want to do is just check that they are identical, that they are exactly the same. You see that there's a small difference in that there's numbers here and no numbers here. But what I want to do is just make sure that they are on the same column. And I've already gone over the file, so actually I know that here there's a difference between the two. In fact, here in the Excel file, there's item 19.5 that is encoded, which is not encoded in the Access database. So we're going to delete this entire column. Okay, shift cells to the left, and now we have what we need. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to keep the variable names from the Access file and delete these lines from here to here. Okay, so now I have prepared my file for import. Okay, this should work. Let's save it. It's saved. And let's now go to the DPA1. I'm going to see if I can squash this record. Yes, okay. Delete the table, close the table. Now I'm going to go to external data, new data source, Excel. I'm going to select the Excel file I've just prepared, which is this one, and to append to the table DPA1. Okay, the worksheet 1. Let's check the variable names. This should be okay. But it's not. So there's a problem with the F41. In fact, what I'm going to do now to correct this is probably just going to delete these empty columns, because it probably thinks there's something in there when there's not. And the same for these empty lines. Save. And let's try this again. Okay. There we are. So it was just a matter of deleting the empty columns in the Excel file because Access thought there was information in there. So let's check. I'm going to change the data type. Okay, so that it's numerical. There's just this one. Okay. Okay, that should be all right. I'm going to close this table, and now I'm going to calculate the scores. And to do that, I'm first going to go get scores 1. Yes, yes. Get scores 2. Yes, yes. Extract data. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to open the form calc scores, click on this, and now I should just run results for SPSS. Yes, yes, yes. And now my data, my results should be in this table here, results for analysis. So I have 143 subjects, participants. I have the scores, so domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the overall score. And I also have the percentage of missing data in the calculation of the domain scores and in the overall score. Just here with the overall score, you might check if it's below 20% missing data, which in your case, there's very little missing data. But for example, here in the domain 6, the percentage of missing data is 100%. So in fact, there were no valid answers for this domain. Okay. Now what I want to do is export this table to Excel. Excel results for analysis. Okay, an Excel workbook with the formatting and layout. And why not? Okay. Close. And so here I have my results in Excel. Okay. I hope this video was instructional, and if you have any questions, let me know.